I keep hearing developers talk about open code models, but aren't all LLMs pretty good at coding these days?
Most are decent, but open code refers to open source models specifically fine-tuned to not just write code, but understand how to execute it.
Wait, execute code? I thought AI models just predicted the next word in a sentence.
Standard ones do, but open code models are trained like a programmer who constantly checks their work by running it to see if it works.
That sounds a bit abstract. Do you have an analogy for that?
Imagine a chef who just writes recipes from memory, versus a chef who actually cooks the dish to taste it before serving.
So the open code model is the chef who actually tastes the food?
Exactly. It generates a script, simulates running it to see the output, and then fixes any errors if the taste is off.
That makes sense, but why is the open part of the name so important?
It means the model weights and datasets are public, unlike closed systems like GPT-4, where the inner workings are hidden.
So developers can actually see under the hood and tweak things?
Yes, and crucially, they can run these models locally on their own hardware without sending private data to a big corporation.
That must be a huge deal for companies worried about security leaks.
It is massive, because now you have a smart coding assistant that lives entirely within your secure walls.
It really sounds like it bridges the gap between an AI that just talks and one that actually functions.
Spot on. It effectively turns the LLM from a creative writer into a functional software engineer.
Thanks. I finally understand why the tech community is so obsessed with this.